Hi, how's everybody doing?
Good.
Well, this is the first time here, so this is a little something a little personal. It's called First Love. Okay. There is no love that can be compared to your first love. That new fresh feeling that had never been felt before. You gave me that feeling, my first love. It was a feeling I could not ignore. I felt it in my heart and in my soul. Beautiful butterflies consume me. No more lonely, I always we. Together. To be apart, I always thought never. Obstacles seen obstacles too big to conquer. Painful words that would cut into your heart, tearing us apart. A choice made, as others would see, a person well played. None being my intention, a life to be made but left undone. All you needed was my attention, that I wanted to give you, a happiness I needed, a happiness I felt. Memories of sweet words to make my heart melt. To think of the good times my heart soars. Whispers in my ear, everything became unclear. Everyone else's feelings I took to heart, but never yours. My feeling, my emotion, my tears, like a waterfall always pours. I need you to understand I never had bad intentions. I wanted to give you all of my affections. I wanted to be forever yours. But what I want, everyone ignores. I cannot put my feelings of unselfishness aside. It is a rule I abide. I never mean to hurt anyone. If anything, I tried to please everyone. You and me, we had our common word, lines of a common verb. In my heart, a new sound, a certain beat, brought through this passion, this heat. Music courses through my veins. A beautiful melody I felt with you now it pains. Wanted to make beautiful music with you. One day a beautiful song. More than anything, but with my life all went wrong. I just asked for understanding. We fell together, but we did not stick the landing. I'd ask you to forget all the beautiful things we felt together. If you were to ask me, I'd say never. Even if this wasn't forever. So I just ask you to keep me as a wonderful memory, as I will keep this once perfect melody.